Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this stunning royal hair combo in DTI. So if you're ready to serve royalty on the runway, in this tutorial, we are revealing a gorgeous royal hair combo that will have you looking like a queen, princess, or magical monarch. So this is how you can create this hair. So first you can put on these two hairs from the curly category. The first one is this one in here, and choose the color that you preferred. So I'm going to make it this colors right here, and then combine it with another curly hair, make it the same color. And last one, click on the feminine category, scroll down and add this here, change the color, and then your royal hair will be done and it will look like this. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.